Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Hilton Worldwide step by step clearly. Understand what Hilton Worldwide is and its market position. Research the company's financial performance and recent news. Decide why you want to invest in Hilton Worldwide. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your goals. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Compare different brokerage platforms to find one that suits your needs. Fund your brokerage account by transferring money from your bank. Use the search function in your brokerage account to find Hilton Worldwide stocks. Check the current stock price and review its historical performance. Analyze Hilton's market trends and projections. Consider factors such as occupancy rates in hotels and tourism industry health. Evaluate potential risks associated with investing in hospitality stocks. Determine how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget. Place a market or limit order to buy shares of Hilton Worldwide. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy based on market conditions. Stay informed about industry trends and Hilton's business developments. Consider diversifying your portfolio with other investments. Review your overall financial goals and investment strategy periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.